When cooking garlic butter green beans, the goal is to infuse the tender crisp texture of the beans with the rich flavors of garlic and butter. Here's a step-by-step process to create this flavorful side dish. Start by gathering your ingredients: half a pound of fresh green beans, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 cloves of garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste. Begin by washing the green beans thoroughly under cold water, removing any dirt or debris. Trim the ends of the beans by cutting off about a 1/4 inch from each end. If some beans are very long, you might want to cut them in half for uniformity. Next, fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add a generous pinch of salt to the boiling water. The salt helps retain the vibrant green color of the beans. Once the water is boiling, add the green beans. Boil them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Be careful not to overcook them. They should still be bright green and slightly crunchy. While the beans are cooking, prepare an ice bath by filling a large bowl with ice and cold water. Once the beans are done, immediately transfer them to the ice bath to stop the cooking process. This keeps them crisp and maintains their color. Let the beans sit in the ice water for a few minutes, then drain them thoroughly. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about a minute until the garlic is fragrant but not browned. Garlic can burn easily, so watch it closely. Add the drained green beans to the skillet and toss them in the garlic butter mixture until they are well coated and heated through. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Transfer the green beans to a serving dish. Optionally, you can garnish with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for added flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your garlic butter green beans as a delicious and healthy side dish.